Hello, everyone. So someone was critiquing this and saying, wow, it looks like a lot of labor. It looks like a lot of difficulty. And I was like, yeah, he kind of makes a good point, doesn't he? Look at this chaos. It's unbelievable. This is so much. And then I decided to do some math. So we have, this is for a trapezoid. Actually, these are for hexagons. 12 60-foot spans, 1832, 7214. 288 for 7.5. So I have time for assembly in minutes. This is with 3 laborers, 3 laborers, 2 laborers, 2 laborers. Time to install for each one. And with laborers, you'd also have to have someone operating like the scissor lift, having the scissor lift go up and down, waiting for that. Having someone operate the scissor lift, I guess. That would be kind of an easy job, though. But you multiply across, divide by 60. Very simple math, because you have to convert minutes to hours. You get all of these hours. You add up the total, 72 hours to do this entire work. It was 12 before, and then I added the installation, because obviously the installation is needed. And I made the installation longer. Notice the difference here. The installation is like 3 times longer than the assembly. So, yeah, still only 71 hours. That's unbelievable. I thought it was going to take 10 people a week, which would be 10 times 40, 400 hours. So this is over 5 times less. Almost 6 times less than my estimate, my previous estimate. Which is crazy. I was expecting the worst. Like, I was looking at this picture and expecting the worst. Just looking at all of these trusses, all of these bolts that you need to bolt into the trusses. It's just unbelievable, right? But, yeah, only 72 hours. Doesn't make any sense. Crazy stuff. Anyway, really great math, really exciting math. This means the entire structure can be reduced in costs, because you figure $30 an hour. That's 30 times 70. That's what is that? 2,100. That's nothing. In labor costs to do the trusses, that's nothing. Unbelievable.